Searching for a job? Stop. Looking for career in IT MNC? Join our free demo? Look no further. Introducing Build network with Senior IT Manager, Senior IT Administrator. Make your dreams come true. Don't just work hard, work smart. Through Evision experts.
Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed Ghulam Jeelan Pasha. I have completed my BTech in Metallurgical Engineering in 2018 from University of Technology from Odisha. When I was looking for the job chain, I came to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. I joined there as a course as a system engineer. After completion of the course, I got placed in Moody's Technologies uh, as a system engineer at the package of 2.75 LPA. If you are anybody looking for the job change, please you can join eVision for a better future. Okay, thank you.
Learn from the best. Boost your IT technical skills. And more. So, what are you waiting for? Grab the opportunity to be a part of IT MNC. Job bole to Evision.